What's going on, everybody? Trevor Noah here, officially social distancing. The president just held a press conference saying that the White House has changed its recommendation that we limit our exposure to no more than 10 people at a time. It looked to me like Trump is taking this more seriously than he ever has. If Trump is worried, then we should be taking this seriously. The good news is we can do something about it. We can minimize the spread of coronavirus. Cities like New York have begun to shut everything down. Restaurants are closed. You can order food and you can pick up food in New York, but you can't go to the restaurant. Remember to order. It supports people who work at the restaurants. It supports the people who deliver the food. Tip them well, please. They're bringing you your food. They're basically the lifeblood of a city. And yeah, everything else in New York is basically going to be shut down. Why are we shutting everything down? Yeah, because we're trying to make sure that the coronavirus does not completely debilitate our healthcare systems. It seems extreme because coronavirus is extreme. And if we don't take it seriously, we can pay the price. It might not be you. It might not be somebody directly linked to you, but it could be. It could be a family member. It could be somebody with a weak immune system. It could be your grandmother, your grandfather, your uncle, your aunt. It doesn't matter. It's still human beings, and we could be doing our part to try and minimize their chances of getting coronavirus. It can affect anybody. So let's play our part. All you got to do is stay home. Stay home as much as you can. You could be saving somebody's life.